Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be opening up the Curated Bead Box for the month of March. Now if you're not familiar with that box, I'll leave some information down below in the description section of this video, along with a coupon code and a link to the website in case you're interested. And I'm super excited about opening up this box, so let's go ahead and get started. And here we have the Curated Bead Box for the month of March 2024. As you can see, the name of the box is Dusk in the Woods. Now I did receive a note that said that the actual dates that the boxes were sent out were slightly out of alignment. I'm not exactly sure what that means. Perhaps they were sent out a little bit late. But anyway guys, as you can see, there's a little preview of what's in the box, and I'm seeing some pretty bright colors. And down here is a list of the contents, and on the right side are the codes for each one. So if you wanted to get extras from the box, you can go to their website, dollarbead.com, and search for the items you want using these codes. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Look at these cheerful colors. Oh my goodness. Wow. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun working with this box. Let me get organized and we'll go through each item. I thought we'd start with the strands first. As you can see, there are 3 strands, and they're 3 different sizes. These are 10 millimeters, these are 8 millimeters, and these are 6 millimeters. Let's take a look at these. These are called Crackle Frosted Duo beads, and the color is orange and apple green. I absolutely love that combination. I really do. It's so pretty. And I like that they're frosted too. And even though they're frosted, you can still see the crackle effect pretty well. I love these. These are really, really pretty. But anyway, that's a 6-inch strand. Let's take a look at this one now. These are called Duo Style Glass beads, and the color is green and orange. And this is a 10.5-inch strand. The green looks more like a teal though to me, but I still like them. I think they're very pretty. I love that beautiful duo style effect. They're so interesting looking. Let's take a look at these now. These are jade style glass beads, and the color is fern, and you can see why. It's definitely a very rich green color. I like these beads. They're really nice. I like the size. I like working with 6 millimeter size beads. And that strand is super long. It's 16 inches long. And actually these two look pretty good together. I may team them up in some kind of design. Let me get some more beads. And here we have some loose beads. Now these are really interesting looking. I've never seen that kind of bead before. They're called peanut glass beads. And it's funny because there are actually some check beads called peanut beads, but they're completely different. And these are definitely not check beads. And as you can see, there are 2 different colors. This color is listed as aqua, but actually to me it looks like a dark green. It doesn't look like an aqua at all. And this one's listed as orange. Let me go ahead and put some on a rod. And here I have 4 of each color. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think I have seen similar beads, but a little bit longer. These measure 8 by 4 millimeters. They are very interesting looking, but I'm gonna have to think about how to use them. And I'm not too sure about these 2 colors. This orange one's a little bit bright, and this one's a little bit too dark. But if I were to use them, I'd probably use them as accent beads. But anyway, we get an ounce of each color, so that's quite a bit. I'm definitely going to have to think about how to use these. Very interesting. And here we have some electroplated glass beads. It's actually a bead mix, so you may have a slightly different mix. It looks like I have 5 barrel beads and 1 teardrop shaped bead. Let me put them on a rod. And here they are on my rod. It looks like these 3 are slightly bigger than these 2. And then of course I have this teardrop shaped bead that I'm probably going to use as a focal bead or something. I'll have to think about it. But anyway, I really do like this finish. It's very pretty. I see a lot of colors in this finish. It makes them look like they're metallic beads. Very cool. Let me get some more beads. And here we have another bead mix. And we have these 2 very large faceted beads. I think we have received these before, but maybe in a different color. And here's some more teardrop shaped beads. Let's take a look at these. And here I have 2 of each kind. The barrel beads are in a milky white color, and these faceted ones are clear, as you can see. And these actually have 2 holes, so that's kind of neat. I'm probably just going to make some earrings with them, because I only received 3. And I'm not sure if this is an error, but the description says that I should have received 6 beads total, and I actually received 8. 3 of the clear ones and 5 of the barrel beads. So you may have something different in your collection. I'm not sure. Let's take a look at one of these. That is 1 large bead. It measures 18 millimeters across, and it has a hole across the top. and it's pretty large too. So you could use leather cord if you wanted to. And it's funny because I just finished cleaning my chandelier in my dining room. And these aren't quite as big as the center drop on my chandelier, but the faceting looks very similar. Let's take a look at these now. These measure 20 by 12 millimeters, and they match, as you can see, and the color is milky white. There's the hole. It's pretty large. You could use nylon or leather cord, and there's a total of 6. But I really love the finish. I love that they're matte. Let me get some more items. And here we have some metal spacer beads and a couple of really cute pendants. Now I'm not sure if it's a typo, but I think I was only supposed to receive 1, or maybe Curated Bead Box sent me 2 because I'm presenting this box on YouTube. I'm not sure. Either way, I'm really grateful, and I think they're absolutely adorable, aren't they? Let me show you. How cute is that? Look at those pretty colored crystals. Let me show you the back. There's the back. It's hollow in the back. But I absolutely love this pendant. I like owls anyway. I think owls are adorable. And I think this pendant is super, super cute. I really like it. And this one has different colored stones, as you can see, or crystals. And they're all very, very pretty. I like that they're so colorful. And each one measures 34 by 26 millimeters. And here we have 3 different kinds of spacer beads. They're all flower spacer beads. But these 2 measure 6 millimeters across. And these measure 4 millimeters. Let me slide some on my rod. And here I have 3 of each. I'm so glad they included spacer beads in this month's box. I really love using them. I love to add that touch of metal. But anyway, it looks like we received 20 of these, and then 15 of these, and then 20 of the smaller ones. I'm so glad they're flowers because it's almost springtime here in the US, so these are going to come in really handy. I like them. Let me get the Finding Starter Kit now. And here we have the Finding Starter Kit. They always include one of these kits in every single box. And it's a great kit to have if you're a beginner because it gives you a lot of the things you need to get started. Let me show you. Here's some jump rings. These are 6 millimeters in size and they're really thick and they're very good quality. And here's some head pins. These are flat head pins. These are also very thick. And I think they measure about 1.5 inches or 2 inches. And here we have some lobster clasps, and there's a total of 4. Here's some stretch cord, and it's very thick stretch cord. Here's some memory wire, and I believe it's 0.6 millimeters in thickness and 60 millimeter diameter. Here's some beading wire. There's about 1 yard worth of beading wire. Here's some crimp beads. These are the round crimp beads. They're not the tubes, but they come in handy for certain projects. And here's some ear wire hooks. There's a total of 6, so that's enough for 3 pairs of earrings. And as you can see, this month's findings are in a silver color. They either come in silver or gold. And like I said, this kit comes in really handy if you're a beginner. It doesn't have everything, but it definitely has a few things to get you started. So now what I like to do is arrange everything on my workspace so you can see the whole collection. So let me do that and I'll see you in a few moments. And here's the entire collection, the Dusk in the Woods collection. I really like the title of this box. And now that I'm thinking about it, that's probably why they included these darker beads. But anyway, it's a very interesting mix of beads. Green and orange are the main colors. And then we have these milky colored ones, which I think might represent the moon, I'm not sure. And of course, I love the cute little owls. They're absolutely adorable. And I also like that they included so many spacer beads. I'm definitely going to make good use of those. But anyway, there's lots of variety in this box. A lot of different things to choose from. I hope you've enjoyed today's unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.